Hey YouTube, it's Breon. Long time no see, you guys. I haven't did a video in a while, so I was going to take the time to tell you guys thank you so much for all the views that I have right now. Today is the day that I reached 1,000 views. I am really excited about that. I just wanted to take the time to tell you guys thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting on them. All the positivity that you guys give me, all this love and support that you guys just thank you very much. I am very, very, immensely happy that you guys actually watch my videos, take the time to watch my videos. And yet again, thank you guys so much. Doing these videos for YouTube, I actually love doing. I'm actually speechless right now because the fact that my goal has actually been achieved. I have achieved one of my goals, and I will continue achieving my goals until the very end. But yet again, I just want to thank you guys very, very much, starting with my mother. Mother, thank you so much. My sisters, my brothers, aunts, uncles, Janaea, Ariel, Sable, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys for that. And I will continue on with the videos real soon. I know it's been a while since I did some videos, but they're coming up real soon. So I hope you guys be patient with me until I have the time to make some more videos. But they are coming up, so be on the lookout for that. And that's all pretty much I have to say. So, yeah, I will talk to you guys, and I will have a video coming up soon. I love y'all. You guys are my everything. Thank you very much. I love y'all. Peace.